Hey guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you exactly how I did this Halloween nail set right here. This is a nail set for my daughter. She requested a Halloween press-on set and she just told me everything that she wanted on each nail, and then she wanted me to surprise her with exactly how I drew it on. So for the first one, I'm going to do a mummy, and I've never done a mummy before, so I looked up how to do one on YouTube, and this is Nail Slayed by Val's version of a mummy. So this is where I got the inspiration for this nail. So I'm going in with Glitter Bell's white gel paint and a dotting tool, and I'm just going to do the white of the eyes. I'm going to cure that, and then I'm going to go in with a smaller dotting tool and fill in the black of the eyes and then cure that. Just a little flash cure is fine for those, so maybe 10 seconds. And then I'm going to go in with a detail brush and some more gel paint and do kind of zigzaggy motions across the nail. So these lines do not have to be perfect. They're supposed to be thick-ish, so it looks like the sheet that is around the mummy. And yeah, so just kind of, I keep going over and over the white to make it look kind of fluffy as well. So when I have all the lines drawn on, I just kind of go back in with my brush with no extra product and just kind of smudge them out a little bit so they look a bit thick and they look a bit fluffy looking. After that, then I'm going to go in with the tiniest amount of black gel paint on my brush and just add a little bit of shadowing just to make it look kind of grey and a bit kind of mucky looking. So next I'm going to go in with Ghostface from the Scream movies, and he is not too bad to draw actually. So I'm going to go in with a black background. You can do whatever background you want depending on the theme of your nails, but then I'm going to go in with my white gel paint and fill in the shape of his head, which is kind of like a light bulb. It's nearly upside down, kind of like fat on the top, a little bit thinner on the bottom. So I'm going to fill that in with my white gel paint and cure, and then I'm going to go in with my black gel paint to do his eyes, nose and his mouth. And his eyes are kind of simple to do. They're like kidney bean shape, and then his nose is a little bit triangular and his mouth is just like a little long oval shape. So I'm just going to let you watch me fill in his face, and I'll be back to you in a couple of seconds. So I'm just adding some shading then on his face here with whatever product is on the left on my brush. So it just kind of gives that mask looking effect with the shadows. And then I'm going to go in and do my cauldron. So I'm just effectively drawing a big black pot. I'm just doing the outline of it first, and then I'm going to colour it in with the rest of my gel paint. So just doing that cauldron shape first, and then I'm going to come back and show you what I used to make the steam. If you're enjoying this video so far, please don't forget to subscribe and like for more videos like this. I have quite a few nail art tutorials on my channel already, and there will be plenty more to come. Once I'm finished with the Cauldron, I pop it in the lamp for 60 seconds, and then I'm going to go in with the Gel Bottle Inks hashtag bling, which is a gorgeously pigmented silver glitter colour. Gonna just put a little bit on my liner brush and drag it up the nail, like kind of like an ombre effect, so thicker at the bottom where the Cauldron is, and then just kind of ombreing it up the nail so it looks like steam rising. This is perfect effect for a Cauldron and the steam. It's very easy, very simple to do. Next, I'm going to go in with Madame Glam's Spooky Pants to draw the pumpkin. So I'm going to outline the pumpkin first and then fill it in with my gel polish. This is the easiest way to do a pumpkin, in my opinion, just at the edge of the nail. And once I have all that done, I pop it in the lamp for a cure, and then I'm going to go in with the Gel Bottle Inks Rose Gold, which is very similar to the hashtag bling, very similar consistency, very full coverage glitter. I'm going to go in again with my same brush that I've been using for everything. I just wipe it off in between, and I'm going to go outline the little, you know, those little lines that are on the pumpkin, and I'm also going to use this for the little stalk that's on the top. So this is perfectly pigmented for this kind of nail art. And once I finish with this, it just also goes in the lamp for a 60-second cure, and that is my pumpkin done. So for the pinky, my daughter wanted a spider, so I'm just going to go in with my dotting tool again and the Glitter Bells gel paint, and I'm going to do the bigger part of his body with a bigger dot and the smaller part with just a smaller dot, and curing in between so that they don't run into each other. Then I'm going to go in with my liner brush and draw these legs coming out from his body. So this spider is also inspiration from Nail Slate by Val, so I'm going to tag her in the description section of this video. This is, yeah, I went to her to see how to do a spider as well, just because I had never done a spider like this either. This was my first time doing a spider like this. I think I maybe have done little tiny baby ones in the past, but quite a big one I had never done. And it's actually not too bad. I wasn't super happy with the legs. I think they were a bit messy looking, but at the same time, for a first attempt, I don't think it was too bad. So I just draw on all the legs with my liner brush here. And once I'm happy with it, pop it in to the lamp for a full cure. Especially with black, I just give it a full 60-second, sometimes 2 minutes cure, depending on how thick I think I have done the polish. So that's it, guys. My daughter is so happy with how her nail set turned out. Thank you so much if you made it this far. Please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.